What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to edit and make changes to your iPhone home screen. Stuff like the icons arrangement, adding or removing widgets and so on. So what you want to do is to choose any icon of any app on your home screen and just tap and hold. You'll get the option here to edit home screen at the bottom. If I tap on it, you'll see here it changed the form and the apps or icons will start wiggling and you'll see like a minus icon on top of every app. So if you tap on this minus icon, you can delete this app or remove it from your home screen. And you'll see a plus icon here at the top left corner. If I tap on it, I can choose widgets. I have different widgets here that I can choose and add to my home screen. And I can also add apps to my home screen. So let's hit done at the top right corner here to save the settings. If I go to the settings menu here or the app library, I can add any app to my home screen by simply tapping and holding, and it'll give me the option here to add to my home screen. And then I can also change the order of the apps by simply tapping and holding an app and then dragging it. I can change the order of apps and transfer the app here at the location that I want on my home screen. And after all the editing, I simply hit done at the top right corner to save my new layout.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.